Okay. Hello guys.
Hi guys.
Today we're gonna unbox daddy shoes.
Daddy shoes.
Yeah. This one came from Adidas. Oops.
Oopsie.
And this one is Yeezy 350.
Wow.
Hold on. What number? 3, 5,
Why?
0.
0.
Alright. This one is a Yeezy Boost 350. Alright. This one is the carbon black. With the carbon shoelace. Sit down right there.
Baby, how do you sit? Sit down, baby.
What color?
Okay.
See, this one is the carbon black. Easy. Yeah, extra shoelace.
That's a shoelace, baby.
So this one is color black. And it's a size. Yeah, size 10. They say it's the best quality ever.
Why?
Because the material is so different than the other Yeezys right there. Yeah. What color? White. Okay, then this is daddy shoes. Alright, tell everybody thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Alright. Okay.